Hello everyone, I'm going to give my presentation on theories of biological aging. So when we talk about the aging, whom do we call old age or later adulthood? When a person is reaching the age of 60, we refer them as old age, later adulthood or third generation people. Looking upon the chronological categories of old age, it has been categorized into four types: young old, middle-aged old, and old, and very old. The young old 60 to 69 years, the society expects them to be in some leisure energy as compared to the younger ones, and they started depending upon their adult children. Second type, middle-aged old 70 to 79 years. This category has been categorized by the lodges of spouse, lodges of siblings, parents, relatives or neighbors or any types of lodges. The third type, all 80 to 89 years, this category has been usually considered as they become more pronounced with their memories. They started forgetting the recent memories and they started recalling their remote memories. So they usually cherish with their past experiences and they live with their past memories. And their health problems becomes more pronounced. The last category, very all 90 till death. In this category, their health conditions become much more critical, and because of that, their physical and social activity becomes very limited. Moving on to the theories, the first theory is aging clock theory. In this theory, they have conducted one experiments where the human cells has been cultivated in the laboratory, and they observe how many times the cell is going to reproduce themselves, and it shows that they can reproduce about 50 times. So on that basis, the potential upper limit of the human lifespan falls between 110 to 120 years. The second theory, cellular reproduction theory, as we have discussed in the first theory, that cell reproduce themselves. So in that reproduction, the DNA change, or in that cell reproduction, the cell also commits some error sometimes. So if they keep on committing and if they keep on accumulating that error, then the cells are unable to function at all and they become old and die. The third theory is wear and tear. The logic is very simple, just like the clothes we wear. We keep on using one clothes daily, and if we keep on rubbing or washing that same fabric daily, then it will tear. So same way, our organs deteriorate and become worn and torn. Another theory is the homeostatic imbalance. What this theory says is that, like, when we compare the younger ones and then the older ones, the recovery rate from their physical or any type of emotional stressors, it is like the older people usually takes longer duration because their ability to balance that physical or emotional stressors, it reduces or declines with the ages. Thus, as the people, as the ability to maintain that equilibrium, it is declining, so eventually it is going to become old and then leads to death. Another theory is autoimmune responsiveness. So in this autoimmune responsiveness, this theory is suggesting that as the people is becoming older, the immune system, which is going to protect the human body, instead of protecting, they started attacking their own body tissue. So in that way, the person will become automatically old and they become die. And they will die. The last theory is the role of pituitary glands. So in this, it says that the pituitary is the master gland of the body that control the functioning of other glands. But the thing is that the declining output of that hormones by the pituitary glands, that is going to lead to the aging, that is becoming the older. So that's all. Thank you.